You ready? Alright, this is changing light bulbs 101. Take the old lamps out. Put your sticker on. Take your screws out. Pop your old sockets loose. You pull it down. Get your old sockets out of the way. Find your hot wire. It has a quick disconnect. Unplug it to disconnect your power. Cut your hot wires off your ballast. Never cut them together unless your power has been disconnected. If your power hasn't been disconnected, cut them individually. Strip them out. You don't want them much longer than that, because then they start sticking out past the socket. Plug your black into one side, your white into the other side. Put your new sockets in the holes where your old sockets were. Pull it down until they clip into place, and then you plug your power back together. You put that wire back in your fixture. Fold your belly pans back up. Put your screws back in. And then you put in your new bulbs. And that is how you change bulbs in a fixture.